Is your desk draining your energy instead of fueling it? Long hours, bright screens, and non-stop tasks can leave you tired, foggy, and stressed. What if 3 small plants could quietly change that, clearing the air you breathe, softening your space, and lifting your focus, without adding work to your day? In this video, you'll meet 3 low-maintenance desk allies that do double duty. They offer real, science-backed benefits and bring positive, calming energy to where you think and create. First, we'll start with a plant that stands tall and steady, perfect for grounding your mood and stabilizing your space. Then we'll add a gentle, trailing grower that invites movement, greenery, and a sense of abundance around your workspace. And finally, an unexpected classic, known for sharpening memory and boosting alertness with nothing more than its fresh scent. Simple care, big impact, ready to build a desk that supports your mind, your body, and your day? Let's start with the snake plant, sometimes called mother-in-law's tongue. If your desk often feels like a stressful or cluttered place, this plant can become your anchor. Snake plants are famous for their adaptability. They thrive in low light, need very little water, and tolerate forgetful owners. That makes them perfect for busy students or professionals who don't have time to fuss over plant care. But their real magic is in the air you breathe. Studies, including NASA's famous Clean Air study, show that snake plants can filter harmful toxins like benzene and formaldehyde. Even better, they release oxygen at night, a rare trait among houseplants. That means they help refresh your workspace, boosting oxygen levels that can sharpen focus and reduce fatigue. There's also a calming effect in simply looking at it. Its strong, upright leaves give off a feeling of stability and discipline, a subtle reminder of persistence and resilience during tough tasks. In many traditions, the snake plant is believed to absorb negative energy and replace it with grounding, productive vibes. It's the foundation for a healthier, calmer desk. But stability alone isn't enough. To fuel progress, you also need a touch of growth energy. And that's where our next plant comes in. If the snake plant gives you stability, Pothos brings flow and growth. Sometimes called devil's ivy, Pothos is one of the easiest plants to care for. You can grow it in soil or even a simple jar of water. It thrives in a wide range of conditions, which makes it nearly impossible to kill. That's why it's such a popular choice for desks and offices. Scientifically, Pothos is a reliable air purifier, helping to clear common indoor pollutants while also slightly improving humidity around your workspace. This small boost can make a big difference if you're spending hours under dry air conditioning or heating. The soft trailing vines have another subtle effect. They visually soften harsh desk corners and computer edges, giving your space a calmer, more natural feel. Energetically, Pothos is linked to growth, abundance, and adaptability. Its vines stretch outward in every direction, symbolizing opportunity, creativity, and forward movement. Keeping one on your desk can serve as a daily reminder that progress is possible. Even when it comes slowly, it's still growing. Pothos is your desk's quiet encourager. But a calm and abundant space still needs a spark. Something that can actively wake up your mind when focus starts to fade. That's where the next plant comes in. Our third desk ally is rosemary, a plant you may know from cooking, but one that carries surprising benefits for focus and clarity. Unlike snake plant or pothos, rosemary works through its aroma as much as its greenery. Research shows that simply inhaling its fresh, pine-like scent can boost memory and concentration. In fact, a study at the University of Northumbria found improved recall and alertness in people exposed to rosemary. It's also a natural stress reliever, helping to cut through fatigue without the crash you'd get from an extra cup of coffee. Energetically, rosemary is linked with purification and mental clarity. In folklore, sprigs of rosemary were kept on desks to sweep away stagnant energy and invite sharp thinking. Its evergreen needles symbolize renewal and resilience, making it a steady companion for work or study. For care, rosemary loves bright light, so place it near a sunny window or give it occasional outdoor time. Water when the top soil feels dry, but avoid overwatering. With just a little attention, Rosemary becomes your desk's natural mind sharpener, turning your workspace into a fresher, more energized place. Now that you know the 3 plants, how do you actually keep them thriving without turning plant care into another full-time job? The key is simplicity. First, remember that less is more when it comes to watering. Overwatering is the #1 killer of indoor plants. Snake plant prefers dry soil, Pothos likes a light drink when the top inch dries, and Rosemary enjoys evenly moist but never soggy soil. Light is the next big factor. Snake plant is fine in low light, Pothos prefers moderate light, while Rosemary thrives in bright sunny spots. Place them accordingly, or rotate them around your space so each gets what it needs. For energy and health, give the leaves an occasional wipe with a damp cloth. This removes dust and resets their energy flow. These plants adapt to your busy life. You don't have to bend your schedule around them. Together, these 3 plants transform your desk from just a work surface into a supportive environment. The snake plant grounds you with stability and resilience. Pothos brings growth, abundance, and a sense of flow. And Rosemary sharpens your mind, boosting focus and clearing away fatigue. They're not just decorations, they're living tools for stress relief, clearer thinking, and positive energy right where you need it most. Which plant spoke to you the most today? Do you already keep any of these on your desk, or do you have your own favorite plant ritual that helps you focus? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear what's growing in your workspace. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to Green Life Zen for more everyday plant wisdom to bring balance and harmony into your life. In our next video, we'll explore how to use plants to create a truly harmonious home energy flow.